Dear life, you knocked me down a few times, you're tough, but I'm getting better at getting back up and looking at you like a half-full cup. Dear life, I still got a lot of miles to go, but I've seen a few of the punches you throw, and I know there's more coming down the road, but I just want you to know you can bring the heat, take it up another level. This ain't the first time I've danced with the devil. You can try to break me any way you can, but I got the man upstairs on my side. Might not always be in between the straight and narrow, might get knocked off the right path when the wind